I shall call my verse a song, with easy words and melody, not long, and in a bass and simple rhyme.
For I am so accused when difficult words are used on the fool.
And I shall say what's in my heart, whoever may hate me or love me for my art. Those in whom love never could reside, no more than base deeds in me abide, have taken to disputing about lovin's game, and each claims I hold the dice. I know more than anyone to be precise, so that it pleases me to speak my mind of what I hear from many of mankind. And if I choose to fight, what irks me most by night, don't think of me as full of boastful pride, for it is said by far too many tongues. I hear most people say,
and it stings my lungs,
that a lady seeks to kill a reputation who deigns to listen to a nobleman's oration. Everyone has a right to speak their view, but he who exposes well wins what is true. And I say words that stand, that she who hears an entreaties call should rather love above them all an honest, well-bred gentleman who chooses nobly as he can. But a woman loving furtively with the appearance of treachery ought not to be so proudly tall. Let her find pleasure in a lowly place with a brother-in-law in that case, so he might find his satisfaction there night and day without a care. Whoever may preach, never in history was a woman lowered from her mystery of worth by any gentleman at all that I know, and it is verified a worthy knight with her beside at the sight of such a woman should expire, for one would go to the grave for that desire. And shall I say more? Not I. Not now under this sky, but if anyone boasts with foolish pride that he'd argue with me in raging dispute, then you'll hear from me absolute words in truth from my own tongue, such as can never be unsung. God kept the heavens and the firmament for himself, with no companion sent, and it is certain not alive, for he left peacefully to my lady's grace to dominate in every place, for all the world ought to serve her name and obey her wish to their acclaim. Neither from death nor prison sway, let God guard me, nor give me joy's ray, if my lady who keeps my hair from gray isn't worth more than others by the by, as I believe and know that I say whoever beholds her face is in love with her when they leave that place. Lady, I must thank you for my skill and all I do and say with will. And if you give after long desires fill, the treasure that you ought to offer